name is CJ Martin, and I'm the coordinator of the Mind, Body, Spirit Fairs here in Durango. Where did this all start? 11 years ago in Wisconsin. Then I moved to Durango a year and a half ago and missed all the light workers and the healers. Join us at the Mind, Body, Spirit Fair this Saturday on Earth Day to experience the power of holistic health and wellness in person. Be open to explore, learn fresh ideas, drop your fear, and discover new ways to support your mind, body, and spiritual wellness. Meet hands-on local holistic healers, intuitive psychic readers, angel readings, Akashic record readings, Thai, bodywork, tuning forks, book authors, Jinsen Jitsu, Reiki, massage. There's so much more that all promote healthy, holistic living awareness. Also, there are 6 live workshops to choose from starting at 11 a.m. Our sole purpose is to create connections of mind, body, spirit, and consciousness. How can we playfully coexist and live in greater harmony with each other and with our Mother Earth? Again, it's this Saturday. I'm excited. April 22nd at the Durango VFW from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Free admission, free raffles, fun prizes, free hugs, and very family friendly. Also stop in to get yours free.